let me talk about a not so very common and a taboo topic in India. Abortion. India में abortion legal है under the MTP Act, but this abortion can only be done if they have to save the life of the mother, if the pregnancy is due to incest or rape, if the pregnancy is due to contraceptive failure, or there is high risk of physical or mental sickness in the baby. The most important thing is consent. Any woman who is 18 or above can undergo abortion and give consent for it. But अगर वो लड़की 18 से कम एज की है, then there should be a legal guardian with her to give a written consent on her behalf. But if the woman is not willing to have an abortion, then the abortion can never be conducted on just the consent of her husband or partner. Abortion can be conducted up to 20 weeks of pregnancy in case of a contraceptive failure. If there is pregnancy due to rape, incest, or any gross congenital error, then the abortion can be conducted up to 24 weeks of pregnancy. Well, that's it for today's Gyan with Dr. Priyam. Bye bye.